like carbon delam. I know you're here somewhere! There you are.
Eight, 3, 2.
What the hell was that?
Yeah. What? There's no way that's legal.
That ball went 10 times faster than normal. It stuck in the fence.
Sir? Sir! We've had some complaints about that paddle. I'm gonna need to take a look at that.
This paddle?
Yes.
Oh, sure thing. Let me get the other one as well for you, okay?
Not on my watch. It's over! There's nowhere to go!
I didn't delaminate the paddle.
I don't care!
This paddle's clean. No delamination.
No!
How do you like it, huh? Yeah, fun?
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Now, if you're ready to keep going, we have another video that we know you're gonna laugh your pickleballs off to. So click that one right here. Go ahead and click it and enjoy it. Go ahead. Stop looking at me. Click it right here. Click it.